Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And of course, as you can see for Solana, we were expecting an ABCDE triangle. We said, of course, if the price action will leave this triangle to the confirmation for higher prices, once we take this high, here we go, we're moving, of course, for higher prices. We broke this triangle, we invalidated. I left it in purpose, of course, to show you guys how the things works and how it happens. So we were looking definitely here for A, B, C, D, E. Once your wave E moves for higher, breaking the high of a wave C, therefore, of course, you can say we cannot call this as a triangle, and we have to remove it. Of course, don't forget that this is not a tradable pattern. We just estimate always what's going on, and that's why we, of course, put or lay down the counting, and then we just watch what's gonna happen. And the next reaction, of course, will be estimated, maybe tradable, right? So trade safe, of course, no financial advice. However, what do we have here right now? Because, of course, we broke the triangle, we have reversed potentially the triangle to a wave B, potentially, or to a regular flat. Meaning you have three ways up, three ways down, and now it has transformed to 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In an ABC potentially to finish a wave B. And that means, of course, right now you are in a big wave A potentially finished, and you're looking here for a W, X, and a Y towards the downside. You're looking for a wave Y. After having ABC here, you have an X in the middle, and you have another ABC towards the downside. Very nice shape, W, X, and a Y, which are matching, of course, together as a shape, which it might, of course, unfold something very nice. That means right now, of course, we are moving in green towards the upside, but don't forget that you're still corrective, and especially where you see, of course, three waves towards the upside, meaning, of course, you're looking here for a 1-to-1 fib level in a regular flat, and potentially those are the targets for a wave B. Meaning this impulse might unfold, of course, here a wave 1. You have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and then big 4 and a 5. Yeah. So it's not a very small one, but it should be. It should be corrective. It should be like a little bit decisive, I would say. Yeah, something that it looks nice, of course, as a flat, right? So basically, we have three ways down, three ways up potentially, and then moving toward the downside again. Don't forget that you are moving here in three ways, already telling you that you still, of course, need three ways up and continuation toward the downside. Our target are still the same. So yeah, a little bit of green, it would be nice to see it, but don't get into the trap, be careful. We might reverse back, of course, for one more leg toward the downside for Solana. And what we are looking at Solana, of course, on a bigger view, if this happens, let's move to the daily. On the daily, of course, you know, we are looking to several bullish scenario. We have 1, 2, 1, 2 potentially, and moving toward the upside, meaning you're seeking after a wave A, B, and a C. Your wave A is this a big W, X, and a Y, which is unfinished yet. Still need one more leg, and of course A, B, and a C toward the downside might be given. So basically, once you finish this wave A, you're looking for three waves toward the upside again, B, and then one more massive move C toward the downside to hit between those fib level. Blue box, which is also in confluence with 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 leading diagonal, or with a three wave up finished and you're looking for three waves down, and then of course continuation toward the upside. So three bullish scenarios have confluence target inside this blue box. So let's watch and see what's gonna happen. Watch the levels. Of course, this level is a very critical to be watched. And of course, we are looking for a corrective. So just because looking first, three waves here, and as well three waves there. Yeah, so three waves down, you're looking for a big three waves up, and then continuation toward the downside. Especially that this is three wave, nothing is impulsive. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to say, of course, that it is impulsive. We cannot say this. Yep, so that was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.